Bonjour, aloha, kia ora, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, Bonjour, aloha, kia ora, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Leche's Taste, homemade by Franz. Hi tasters, so we are in our third week of quarantine and second video in quarantine, and today we will be making a Filipino dessert called Leche Flan. But before we start, I hope you guys are staying safe and social distancing. Make sure to sanitize and keep your sanity. Okay. And as I said, today I will be attempting to make a Filipino dessert called Leche Flan. Leche Flan is kind of like a solid custard. It is so good. It has like a caramel glaze on top. It is awesome. I am super excited to make it since this will be my first time making it, and it's kind of a challenge in a way, but I'm pretty sure I won't fail this one, like the creme brulee one. I do not want to remember that. That was a fail. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's get on with this video. Because this is my first time making it, I have the recipe right here so that I don't mess up, and I cut the recipe in half since not a lot of us live here and we don't really like sweets too much. Okay, so the first step is to add in our eggs. Is to mix together, our eggs and condensed milk. Just do that real quick. A lot of recipes I've been doing recently have contained a lot of eggs, like Japanese cheesecake. Today we're making this, and I think our last video was the creme brulee. I hope it rains, but of course after we shoot, because like it's been so hot recently because it's becoming the summer days, and of course we're in quarantine. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the vat milk. That's it! That's pretty much it. Okay, now we have to like make the caramel layer for this. That's fast. What if we transfer this so that then pouring it in the molds will be easier later? Perfect! This is so simple and easy to make. I will not fail this. Hopefully. Let's not get too cocky though. And I set this aside, and I'm going to make the caramel layer for the Leche Flan. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to separate the sugar amongst the three molds. I'm using a classic Filipino mold for the Leche Flan called the Yanera. But if you can't find any, because of course this is probably hard to find, you can use a round baking pan, a small round baking pan, or a ramekin. Okay, now let's melt the sugar and turn it into caramel. Put your cooker on a slow fire. Be very, very careful. Use tongs to help you not burn yourself. Okay, it's already starting to melt. You do not want to burn this. Keep a very watchful eye on it. It's starting to have some color over here, as you can see. Don't cook it too much. Make sure to not burn it. Just enough brown and caramelized. Do not burn it. Do not burn it. Burnt sugar is very, very bitter. Look at that color. That color is kind of like what a caramel syrup would look like, I guess. Okay. Taking it off the fire. Okay. Now spread the sugar all around. Make sure you have an even coat. Okay, and now we are going to repeat this 2 more times. We successfully did the first one. Hopefully we don't have to redo any of the other ones. Hopefully. Look at that beautiful caramel amber color. It is so beautiful. Now let's let it cool down for around 5 minutes or more until it's cooled down. According to Wikipedia, creme caramel, flan, or caramel custard is a custard dessert with a layer of clear caramel sauce contrasted with creme brulee, which is a custard with a hard caramel layer on top. Okay, while we're waiting for our steamer to heat up, the caramel is already cooled down, and I'm going to pour in our liquid mixture into the Yanera or any mold that you have. I'm gonna try to do this as evenly as possible. We are now just waiting for our steamer to heat up, and then we are going to steam this for around 45 minutes, less or more. It depends. As you can see, our water is boiling and it is steaming hot. I'm going to be very careful and quick. Yes, quick is another thing that you need to be. Okay, now we'll just leave these to steam. Look at our Leche Flan. It looks so good. I'm so excited to flip it over and try it. Let's see if it's a success or fail. Either or, it's still gonna be delicious. I don't want to ruin the hard work. Okay. Yes! Yes, I did it! Once these were done steaming, I let them cool down and then put them into the refrigerator for around like 10 minutes or a little bit more. It depends on if you like it cold. Look at this, it looks so good. Oh, the caramel is going to spill. Ah, it looks so good. I did so well. It was definitely a success. It's time for the taste test. Ooh. That's the classic Leche Flan taste. Eggy, sweet, delicious, caramelly. There's nothing else better than a Leche Flan. That's good though. Our Leche Flan tastes so good. It's delicious, it's soft, and it reminds me of the Leche Flan you can buy in the stores. It's so good. It's better than the box mixes, you know, like that are sold in the stores. It's amazing. I am at loss for words for this. Like, the flavors of the custard mixed with the caramel, it might be too sweet for some people, but it's a match made in heaven. Like, you can't go wrong. This is probably why they created creme brulee as well. Like, you can't go wrong with this. The look is a 10 out of 10, the appearance is 10 out of 10, and the taste is of course 10 out of 10. This is amazing. And plus, it's super easy to make. The only thing that takes long is the cooking time. I hope this whole pandemic goes over soon, and I hope everyone is staying safe. Please continue praying for the world to heal already, and even though this might continue for more months, more weeks, of course, let's just pray that we get better, and let's keep the faith alive, of course, and let's keep hoping and praying for it to get better. Support our frontliners, stay at home, social distance, keep your sanity, and sanitize. I hope you all liked and enjoyed this video. Please support this YouTube channel by subscribing and hitting the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of any new videos that I post. And also hit that like button and comment down below any suggestions, and I will try to make it happen. Thank you all for watching. Happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Stay safe, everyone.